We are live in New York City, you guys. It's currently freezing outside. We're in Madison Square Garden. Is this metal? Oh, it is metal. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, we're there looking. Look. It's snowing, gang. It's snowing. You know what I'm saying? We're in La La Land, literally. LOL. But yeah, bro. So it's pretty cool. We're vibing. We're at Madison Square Garden right now. I didn't expect this to happen. I don't know. It said snow in the thing, but I didn't expect it to like snow. But it seems pretty cool. So yeah, you guys are on this little magnetic like thing or whatever, and it's working out. You guys are on the gimbal. DJI. We're in the city. It's out here snowing. Oh, y'all see that? I ain't gonna lie, it hit different. It hit different. But we crawling in the snow. I'm crawling in the snow. I'm gonna get her ass, y'all. Oh, yeah.
Turn my speakers on. Turn my speakers on. Can you hear me?
That was insane.
And that's it, man. From out of Christy, man. Watch bitch and watch me. You heard that? Turn my speakers on and let me vent. Yeah, turn my speakers on. Turn my motherfucker. Yeah, turn my speakers on. Turn my. Yeah, turn my speakers on. Turn my motherfucking. Yeah, turn my speakers on.
it is officially my last day in New York City, and it's crazy because it just so happened to be a snow day. We got word that a snowstorm was coming through New York City and we possibly would be getting our flight delayed. And I just didn't know how to feel other than to, you know, go outside and try to enjoy the moment. There are very few times in my life, honestly, that I'm actually present. And I feel like this was one of those times where I was able to be present, I was able to breathe and genuinely be happy in the moment that I was in. I never experienced true snow before. I never experienced snow falling and beginning to build, but I was able to experience this snow from start to finish. Let's get into this.
Whoa, this is crazy! Whoa! Wait, hold on. Okay, there's a head. There's a bottom.
I think. No,
Whoa.
It looks like it could actually be like.
Right? That's, hey, she's winning. Like, yeah, yours is like thick and tall. Yours is just tall. Yo.
Okay, wait. Okay, get us to the spot. Get us to the spot.
Yo, this is insane.
Get us to the spot.
What is going on right now? Yo, we're like rolling boulders right now. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. I'm not gonna lie, if she keeps going, bro, you got like something crazy going on. Yo, this is huge.
Okay, now we have to figure out how to get yours up.
On top of it? Are you trying to put it on top of each other?
Will.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Go.
Stranger.
Go. Ah! Now we gotta add something like to make it stay. Oh yeah, bet we got you.
Yeah, we got you.
Yeah, this is sick. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all snapped. Oh yeah, got to.
Hourglass snowman. Oh my god, it is.
Oh shit, sorry. Trying to cover that sand. Yo, that's crazy. What happened to the head? Oh, she's making another one. Yo, it currently looks like a glacier. More than a ball. There we go, glacier head. Whoop, whoop. You got it?
Yeah.
Go crazy. You got it. Boom. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Human size, man. Stop it. A legit one. Yo.
Okay, wait, it's facing the street.
Yeah.
Facing the street? I'm facing the
Go ahead and look at, oh, facing the street. Hey, we need sticks.
I know.
We need sticks. Someone look in the bushes. No, literally was not long at all. They just started rolling stuff.
Once you get it going,
Bro, let me see. I don't know if these sticks. Bro, this is like a lot of snow, fam. I don't know where, I'm trying to see. I don't really see. I don't see good sticks though. Like, I'd climb, but like, it don't look like. If it's already dead, technically, I mean, I would too. But like, it gotta be like dead, like this probably.
As you guys can see, it's currently snowing. This is insane. We didn't expect this to happen, but it bloody did, love. I'm trying to use you guys in the snow while I can. I really, cause my phone turned off, bro. My phone was like, oh, it's too cold, I guess. This little thing I got on my neck is like entirely too cold. I'm trying to find my microphone. It's in here somewhere, but I don't know where it's at. We are live in New York City, you guys. It's currently freezing outside. We're in Madison Square Garden. Is this metal? Oh, it is metal. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, we're there looking. Look. It's snowing, gang. It's snowing. You know what I'm saying? We're in La La Land, literally. LOL. But yeah, bro. So it's pretty cool. We're vibing. We're at Madison Square Garden right now. I didn't expect this to happen. I don't know. I said snow in the thing, but I didn't expect it to like snow. But it seems pretty cool. So yeah, you guys are on this little magnetic like thing or whatever, and it's working out. You guys are on the gimbal. DJI. We're in the city. It's out here snowing. Oh, y'all see that? I ain't gonna lie, it hit different. But yeah, man, I don't know. It caught me off guard, but it's pretty cool. Oh, it's coming through the gate. One moment. There we go. But yeah, so yeah, y'all see it. All right, you guys. So we are at had to put up to a Popeyes, man. It's snowing outside, and basically what I had to do was I put it to a Popeyes because I wanted to like reset my hands. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but I wanted to get my hands back warm so I can go back out, you know, maneuver again, you know what I'm saying, for about another hour or whatever, and then head my ass back into the hotel and continue to pack because we actually fly out earlier than I even thought. I thought like my flight was at later than it was, but I'd be forgetting that like you gotta get there early before the flight. So yeah, and I think checkout is at 10 or 11, one of them. If it's at 11, that's good. Because then we could just low-key leave. We vibing good.
Back in the snow, gang. We're headed back to the hotel right now. This bus is a snowy bus. You see that? It's a snowy bus. Bus stop. Bro, the floor feels crazy. I have my DJI Pocket 3 in the snow, gang. And I have my microphone inside of here, so I'm still able to hear me. Show y'all what y'all can see. It looks crazy as hell, man. Like, I'm about to show y'all the floor. I'm not even supposed to be using this DJI in the snow. But hey, fuck it, we ball. You only live once, gang. Look at this. This is crazy. I only got snow boots on. This is so thick. See how thick this is? This is so thick, gang. A snowy day in New York City. Bro, this is crazy. Bro, like it's actually really thick. Like this is crazy. Like, bro, it's like you can feel it. Wow. But fam, we gotta make something. Look at this. This is crazy. Damn, it's like perfectly put together. Yo, like it's on the trees. Yo, it's crazy. Oh, they put it in his jacket. It is crazy. Look at these tables, yo. Oh, this shit's like deep, yo. What the fuck? This is so, oh, that man went on the table already. It's thick. You just trying to tackle me? Bitch, I'm thinking about it. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm thinking about it. I don't even know where to take it at. I need a thumbnail, y'all, gang. Gang, I need a fire thumbnail, but I don't even know where to take it at, though. Is this metal? Yo, this is crazy. I'm gonna get her ass, y'all. Oh, yeah. Psychopath followed me. I'm in the beach. You look cool as hell. Bro, a snow photo shoot? Stop. Like, we turn you into Eskimo. Never mind. Bro, this is crazy. I was gonna say like dirt, low key, but hey. Get to like get to it. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. We crawling in the snow. I'm crawling in the snow. I'm crawling in the snow right now. I'm laying down. It's so comfortable. It's just like, it's like a expensive mattress, but it's so cold. It's so cold, man. It's so cold. It don't taste good though. It don't taste good at all. Oh! Woo! 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 I'm a little kid again. I'm a little kid again. I'm a kid again. I'm a little kid again. Running in the snow, running in the snow, running in the snow. Jump! Oh! We're running in the snow, running in the snow, running in the snow, running in the snow.
Guys, this was an experience that I truly will never forget. I appreciate you guys so much for tapping in on me daily, man. See you guys tomorrow. Until next time, taxi.
Hey man, say man, from my nigga Rich P, man. Watch this, don't watch me. You heard that? Go. I ain't never need no help to turn up the yeah.